Ma'am, 15 lang
Hey
yun.
guys, welcome back. It's our part 2. Here we're gonna eat quail eggs.
105. Plus, wait lang siya. Plus 40. Plus 25. Plus, ilang balot ma'am?
Dalawa.
Dalawa plus 60. Plus,
Yeah? Okay.
230.
Yeah.
Ulit.
Wait.
2,
Eight,
4,
okay,
6, 7.
I'll give you 3.
7
Alright.
times 15 equals
You want some quail eggs?
105 plus
No.
25.
Hindi siradong 300 kuya. Isirado mo kuya. Kakainin ko lang ng balot.
60 equals
If it's not,
It's like the math's not math.
40 equals
Yeah.
230 kuya.
230.
Pagkano yung balot mo kuya?
30 po.
30. Sige. Dagdag ako ng isang balot. I'm gonna eat balot so that it's gonna 300.
Salt.
So,
Quail eggs now. Here we go, guys.
it's done with the balot and now quail egg.
Ano siya sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it?
Pretty good. Tastes like an egg.
But it's just too little. Like it takes time to peel it. I will eat another balut lab. Eat it up.
Another blue?
Yeah,
Why?
to make it 300.
No.
No, just
I'll
eat
be a
another
Jew.
one. No, another one.
Want these? Want them? Yeah.
Kuya, add me another one, kuya. How was it, love?
Another one.
How was it?
Good. Yeah, of course.
Okay. See
Quail
you in
eggs.
our next video,
Good to go.
guys. Bye. Bye.
Another balot.
Bye.